Hello, my name is Diego, and today I'm going to talk about my plans for the future. First, I will talk about my 5 short-term plans. I am going to study for my exam next week. I am going to finish my homework on time. I am going to practice English every day. I am going to exercise 3 times a week. I am going to spend time with my family this weekend. I will talk about my 5 medium-term plans. I am going to improve my English level this year. I am going to complete all my universe course successful. I am going to learn more about mechatronics and technology. I am to save money for important goals. I am going to gain experience through academic projects. I will talk about my 5 long-term plans. I am going to graduate from university. I am going to get a good job mechatronics engineer. I am going to buy my own car. I am going to help my family financially. I am going to continue studying and growing professionally. These are my short term, medium term, and long term plans. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.